I'm going to show you how to quickly rectify error messages. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get out of the most common problems. So when you get an error message on Tonex software, first thing you want to do is pull out the USB, then power down, then power up, and plug back in. That'll take care of 90% of issues. Still have errors? Then close the software, close your internet browser, and start from scratch. So you want to make sure you are signed in to your IK product manager. So I'm opening that up. And I am. There I am right there. So if not, you want to sign in. So good. So minimize that. Then open up Tonex again. Close this out for now. Go to librarian. Yep, we're in. Also, don't forget to take out the USB cable and power the pedal down, power it back up, and replug in the USB cable. Same thing with the big box. Unplug the USB, unplug the power. So USB, power, plug power back in, plug USB back in, and that should take care of your problem. If you get an internet connection error, make sure you're connected to the internet. Go down here in your computer and check your internet connection. Well, I hope this helps somebody out. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.